If you live up north in one of the colder environments, we're in the south. Our winters are usually pretty mild, highs in the 70s, lows in the 40s. If you'd like to send your horse down so I can keep it conditioned over the winter so you'll be ready to show when it comes back in the spring, or if you have one you'd like to get started, it's a great time of the year to start them, and then in the springtime we'll send it back home and you'll be able to continue. This is a horse that came in a few days ago. Her name is Serena. We've worked her a couple of times since she's been here. Come on. I was still kind of figuring her out a little bit. The owner said that she had come off of her, but I haven't quite figured out what behavior she's doing that was the reason the owner came off of her. I want to work her towards ranch riding, ranch trail, that kind of thing. But there are a few things I need to work on as far as collection and some body control that I need for tools for bringing her along there. And as that progresses, I'm kind of watching for whatever it seems like she might have done that the owner came off. We'll walk our circle right here. She's a little bit stiff, but not bad. I just got her out of the stall. She was stalled last night. Saddled her up, brought her out here and got on. You see she's heads up a little bit stiff, but her ears is back at me. She's looking around. She's been out here several times since she's been here. This isn't new to her out here. Now she's starting to relax a little bit. Her head started to drop, and I also felt her back start to relax. She really don't have it rounded up like she wants to buck. It was just kind of tense. Let's do some right circles. She's not really bending through her body, which is something that we need to get better. But as the ride goes on, that has been getting better. See how she's just kind of stiff. And let's go forward again. Try to get her feet moving a little bit. Give her a chance to walk out and relax a little bit. I've got more signs ordered for my Patreon banner there. Some more names. They should be in pretty soon. I appreciate everybody for supporting me there. As soon as I get all the rest of I think I ordered like 6 or 8 more. As soon as I get them in, I'll be putting them up. Now she's starting to relax. And you notice as she relaxes, she's developing a little bit more rhythm. Kind of slow down there a little bit. Really all I'm doing here is just walking a circle, pointing her nose. Not asking for a whole lot more than that. I don't want to get into asking for too much too quick and then get her more tense. The several times we've ridden her, she has ridden really nice. I hadn't put spur on her yet. I will in just a minute. I have since she's been here. Really need to get her body softer. Get her bending a little more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some inside leg, inside spur, tilt her nose to the right, add a little bit of leg, add a little bit of leg, see if I can get her middle to go out, and a little softness. Her head came up, but I got a little bit of bend in her body. That's that again, inside leg, right leg, kind of lift my right hand. And she tracked to the outside. She didn't really bend her body, but we did track that way. Let's walk a circle and I'll ask again. You see, as soon as I start putting leg on, her head starts to come up. I'm getting resistant. I'll wait till I get around so you can see what my right leg is doing. We're going in the direction of ranch riding, ranch trail, kind of give her a job that direction. She seems like a horse that needs a job. All right, right leg in the middle, lift my right hand, lift my hand. There, I got a couple of steps to the left. But you see her head stayed up and stayed stiff. That has to get better. I don't know if she was banged on hard at some point or if she just never was taught to be soft. And that could be the source of why the owner came off. If the owner asked her to do something and her body just got stiff there, that was softer, that was better. And release. If the owner asked her to do something and she got stiff and her body didn't follow through like you would expect it to, the owner could have lost her balance and come off. I don't know. Could have been that, or maybe she bucked at some point. I don't know. I haven't seen that yet. I haven't seen where she showed me that she's sore anywhere. Let's walk the left circle, work with the left leg. Left leg, raise my left hand, get the left shoulder to track out, and release. Let's make a little contact with both hands and let's see what happens with the face, if I can keep driving her forward, if that face will come in. I've talked before, I don't work the reins back and forth like seesaw the reins. I want to get the head down and round off of my legs. And see how she's pushing forward, pushing her nose out, she's pushing down with her shoulders, being resistant. No, it's not going to happen. Let's work the left leg again. A little bit better, a little bit of side pass there. I'd rather get bend, not really after a side pass. There, we get a little bit of bend there. Let's ask again, left leg, left hand up. A little bit of bend, a little bit of side pass. Good girl. Let's ask for a little bit of backup and see what we get. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing here, put it in the comments below. I'll see if I can answer your question. And if you're finding what I'm doing helpful, click the like button and that will help YouTube know to send the videos out to other people. It seems like a very sensible horse, and it seems like she's had some pretty good riding at some point. She just needs to be softer. Squeeze, there we go. Ask again. Squeeze, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. There, that was better. We'll move her shoulders to the left since she backed that way. Squeeze, release. Move her shoulders to the left again. Squeeze with my spurs, release. And she's backing crooked. She's backing with her hip to the inside. I'm gonna move the shoulders back that way. Squeeze. Shoulders to the left. Nope. See, she pushed into me that time. Wait for her to stop. Shoulders to the left. Shoulders to the left. Bring your nose to the left. There's the stiffness. And back. Shoulders to the left, come around to the left. That's resistance that has to go away. To the left, there we go. And back up again. To the left. There, that was a better shoulder movement to the left. And you see her shoulders went right back to the right. So that's all the stiffness through her body that we're going to be working on. We want to be working her towards ranch riding and ranch trail, but we have to get this stiffness to go away no matter what direction she goes in. We need some roundness, we need some shoulder control, some hip control. She seems like a really sensible horse, really nice horse. We just mainly have to get her softer. So her name is Serena. I'll be having a playlist on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching.